we have just completely finished unboxing the Logitech G903 gaming mouse. We have oned it using the on button at the back, tilt it forward, and you get a majestic glow of vibrant colors, RGB lighted gaming mouse. Perfect for my needs, which is video editing. There are several switches that can be on. For example, the switch. There's two switches, the right switch and the left switch at the very bottom, and that indicates which lights to be turned on, and it also indicates how much percent the battery is at. And then there's the two mouse arrow clickers, and then there's a scroll, which is very fast and very responsive. In this mouse, if you press on the right button, the light decreases, and if you press on the left button at the bottom, the light increases. It's a pretty cool feature, eh? And then there are two additional gaming buttons that can be used for gamers or video editors, and you can customize these buttons to meet your needs, and you can do a task that you want to do. The weight of it is evenly distributed with only 110 grams of weight, which is pretty impressive. This mouse will be the perfect fit for gamers and video editors. The case or the cover of it is extremely well designed, and I very much like that. You open that, and then you see a pamphlet of the white Logitech. Most Logitech products have that pamphlet and a black pamphlet. Just some documents on how to use the mouse and the functions of it. And there's another pamphlet here which is quite unusual, which it just gives a detail or overview of the mouse and what it offers. Just some warranty paper cards, nothing too important. And then there is the main key accessories of the mouse. This is a cable which can be plugged into the mouse to be operated in a monitor or other external devices, and you can plug it in at the front of the mouse, which is easily accessible. Just plug it in. There lies a accessories box with all additional accessories that can be put into the mouse, and you open the box and you find additional accessories. First accessory, pretty straightforward, a wireless connector if you want to connect your mouse to any wireless source of connection like a laptop or computer. You also have an additional grip which you can add onto the mouse if necessary. Then you have two additional gaming buttons, which I thought was very necessary if the mouse gets a defect or damage, so you can use this as a replacement. We receive a special gadget, if you want to call it, and it is a customizable weight, ladies and gentlemen. And then this is the special gadget, 10 grams of additional weight which can be added onto the mouse. And this video will show you how to add the weight. It can be magnetically added onto the magnetic, just like that, and it can also be magnetically put onto the mouse. Yep, very simple. This is the wireless connector, the dock, and then if you can see at the back of it there is a USB Type-C port, and then at the front of it there is a Logitech branded wireless connector. You can easily remove the wireless connector from the dock, very simple, and it is branded G903, signifying the model name of this mouse. This is the complete unboxing of the Logitech G903 gaming mouse. Did you know that these mouses are categorized with the name Hero? The first variant is the basic or standard gaming mouse. Number 2 is LightSync RGB mouse. And number 3, the third variant, is the one that I have, which is the most advanced or expert gaming Hero mouse. The LightSync RGB feature of the Logitech G903 gaming mouse enables it to have a full spectrum of 16.8 m of wide range of vibrant colors, and that is something that most mouses do not have. Fun fact here, the slogan of this gaming mouse is "Beyond glory, dominate victory," and that is exactly correct for this gaming mouse. This mouse offers several additional features that other mouses do not offer, and all these features allow the mouse to stand out. The ever so elegant and modernized design of this mouse will suit every gamer and video editor that is looking for a mouse. Overall, the Logitech G903 gaming mouse is the perfect choice for gamers and video editors that are looking for a luxurious device. Thank you everyone for watching, stay safe, and always stay happy.
Forget safety, live where you fear to live. Destroy your reputation,